Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupali Udhane and I welcome all of you in my channel Rupali's Health to spread simple healthy ways. In last video we discussed about immunity by homeopathy, and in today's video we are going to discuss about immunity by daily yoga practice. In current COVID 2019 emergency, call for rapid development potential of preventive and management strategy against virus mediated disease. Practicing yoga, meditation and pranayam is one of the preventive strategy, particularly for those individuals who have a pre-existing condition like diabetes, heart disease and cerebrovascular disease, and elderly. Based on available scientific evidence on benefits of yoga in improving respiratory and immune system and also stressful condition, as well as in prevention and management strategy against non-communicable disease like diabetes, hypertension and heart disease. Practicing yoga lowers stress hormone and strengthen nervous system and also stimulate lymphatic system, which helps to remove toxin from the body and improves natural defense mechanism of body. Yoga and meditation calms the mind, so it contributes in regulating sleep, which is one of the crucial factor in the wellness and also important for healing and maintaining healthy immune system. In chronic diseases or long running diseases, we often see associated increased latent viral reactivation, frequent upper respiratory tract infection, and delayed wound healing with significant immune response dysfunction. Practicing yoga, meditation, and pranayam reduces oxidative stress and elevate the level of endogenous antioxidant, which are beneficial in the patient of asthma to relieve severity of complaint of breathlessness and reduce inflammation. Breathing in yoga takes high priority. According to yoga, breathe or prana is the basic form of life energy, or it is primary energy in the body. It is said to be master form of energy at every level of well-being. In daily practice of yoga, including breathing technique, strengthen lung functioning and also strengthen life energy and health. It improves breathing and improves oxygen intake. Pranayam or yogic breathing involve at the level of thoracic, abdominal and clavicular level, which will help you to gain your control on breath, also correct your poor breathing technique and improves oxygen intake. The standing asana contribute in strengthening back muscle and improves lung functioning, oxygenation and lung capacity. In today's video, we are going to discuss 4 important poses for health and to improve lung capacity. First is half Matsyendrasana. It is a sitting in half twisted spine. It improves oxygen supply to the lung. It induces abdominal breathing, which improves lung capacity. Second, Trikonasana triangle pose. This pose allows easier passage of air to lungs and it helps lungs to open and expand in chest activity. Twisting in triangular pose gives massage to internal organ, which in turn enhances their ability to get rid of toxins and ensure their proper functioning. Third asana is Matsyasana or fish pose. It is a balancing and distributing oxygen by improving blood circulation to all our body. It stimulates deep respiration by stretching lungs and relieves respiratory disorder. It also relieves stress from neck and shoulder muscle. Fourth asana is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam or alternate nostril breathing. This asana helps to release stress from the mind and relax the body. It improves lung functioning in asthmatic patient It is one of the best asana for those who have a difficulty in breathing. This is all about immunity by yoga. In today's video, we consider asanas which improves oxygen supply to your lung and improves your breathing. In next video, we are going to consider immunity and stress management. If you found the videos informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.